Welcome to Everything Explained, where we dive deep into fascinating topics that shape our understanding of the world. Today, we're unpacking a medical mystery that touches many lives, but often gets overshadowed by more serious health concerns: benign tumors. These growths can be puzzling, and many people wonder why they exist and what they mean for our health. Let's break this down in a way that's easy to understand. First, let's define what we mean by a benign tumor. In medical terms, a tumor is an abnormal growth of tissue that occurs when cells divide and grow excessively. Not all tumors are harmful, though. Benign tumors are non-cancerous growths. This means they don't invade nearby tissues or spread to other parts of the body like malignant tumors do. To put it simply, think of a benign tumor as a guest at a party who is loud and disruptive but ultimately harmless. They're annoying, but they won't cause any serious damage. So, why do benign tumors occur in the first place? The development of these growths is often linked to a variety of factors, including genetics, environmental influences, and even lifestyle choices. Let's break down some of these factors. Genetics plays a significant role in the formation of benign tumors. Certain families may have a genetic predisposition to develop specific types of benign tumors. For example, people with a condition called neurofibromatosis often develop benign tumors on their nerve tissues. This genetic factor can be thought of like a family recipe. Just as certain traits get passed down through generations, so do tendencies for certain types of growths. Environmental factors also play a crucial role. Exposure to specific chemicals or radiation can lead to the development of benign tumors. For instance, some studies have shown that exposure to certain industrial chemicals can increase the risk of developing benign tumors in the liver or kidneys. Imagine your body as a garden. Just like how different types of soil can affect which plants grow, various environmental factors can influence the types of tumors that might develop. Lifestyle choices also contribute to the formation of benign tumors. Diet, exercise, and even stress management can play a role in our overall health, including the health of our cells. For example, obesity has been linked to a higher risk of developing certain benign tumors, such as lipomas, which are soft tissue tumors made up of fat cells. It's like maintaining a car. If you don't take care of it, certain parts may wear out or malfunction. Similarly, our bodies need proper care to function optimally. Now, let's talk about some common types of benign tumors. One of the most recognized types is the lipoma, which is a benign tumor made up of fat cells. Lipomas are usually soft, movable under the skin, and often painless. They're like squishy little pillows that can appear anywhere on the body, but they rarely cause serious issues. Another common benign tumor is a fibroid, which is a non-cancerous growth in the uterus. Many women experience fibroids during their reproductive years, and while they can sometimes cause discomfort or heavy bleeding, they're not considered dangerous. Think of fibroids as unexpected potholes on a smooth road. They can be annoying, but they typically won't lead to a crash. Then there are adenomas, which are benign tumors that can develop in various glands, such as the thyroid or pituitary gland. These tumors can sometimes cause hormonal imbalances, but they are not cancerous. You could liken adenomas to a traffic jam. They can slow things down and cause a bit of frustration, but they won't derail the entire journey. Now, you might be wondering, do benign tumors pose any risks? Generally, benign tumors are not life-threatening, but they can cause problems depending on their size and location. For example, a benign tumor in the brain might press against important structures and lead to headaches or other neurological symptoms. In these cases, medical intervention may be necessary to remove the tumor, even though it's benign. One of the most important things to remember about benign tumors is that they often don't require treatment unless they cause discomfort or complications. In many cases, doctors will simply monitor these growths over time to ensure they don't change or become problematic. It's similar to keeping an eye on your garden. If a plant is growing well and not causing any issues, there's no need to uproot it. In conclusion, benign tumors are fascinating examples of how our bodies can produce abnormal growths without crossing into the realm of cancer. They arise due to a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors, and while they can be bothersome, they are generally not dangerous. Understanding benign tumors can help demystify a common health concern and remind us of the complexities of our bodies. So next time you hear someone mention a benign tumor, you can confidently explain that while they might seem like a nuisance, they're generally harmless guests in the body's intricate party. Remember, knowledge is power. and understanding our health is the first step toward taking control of it.